Trump again. Me know say my rest, but me have to get up and me have to talk to him. Right. Hello? Trump, me know say you're tired, but hear me out. Listen again. You know everything is connected? Let me take off my glasses. Everything is connected. You see, from 9/11, the bullshit started. You understand what I mean? Everything is connecting. I'm connecting the dots here. Right. Just like 9/11 was an inside job. It wasn't no terrorist from no damn Middle East, right? It was an inside job, miss, and I tell you that. Open up your eyes, Trump, you know, say you're not too with it, you know. But, come on, may I try to teach you something as president. If you listen to me, Sam, you can't go wrong, right? So everything is connected from 9/11, right? So that's how them step up security and have more cameras, Big Brother and everything, because they want them damn world order and to keep us like sheeps. Yeah, you understand? Right. Stay with me. You know what I talk to you, but stick with me. No, they want to take away our guns to protect ourselves because they want to control us. So they might do all these mass massacres all over, in the church, in the schools, anywhere they can, in the clubs, anywhere. You understand what I say, Trump? Are you picking up now? Right, it's all connected. Trust me, to my spirit strong this man. It don't make no sense. The man can only fire so much, and it was plenty of bullets that fly like it out of style. It was more than one shooter, okay? It was a mass of people up there shooting, let me tell you. Yes, and then kill the man, because this don't even fit the man's character. When you speak to people who were close to him, his neighbors, everybody, his family, it doesn't fit him. He had no psychological problem. He didn't have any Trump. I want no government sticking at the head. I know I'm ranting on Trump, not tell me that, but you need to think about it seriously. But you know what, I don't even know why I talk to your ass, because you're a part of them government scheme. You understand? Right. Anyway, me talk to you tomorrow.